Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking back at Sqlite. And more specifically, we're going to be looking at the keyword order in SQL. So alright, let's just go ahead and jump into it. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We take one topic and we expand upon it. One topic at a time, one video at a time, one byte at a time. So okay, we grabbed everything, all columns from our students table in our student database. So now we could bring these in and order them with Python, or we could use our knowledge of SQL and allow it to order things for us. So let's learn. Order just sorts it. So let's get our caps on. Order by. So it's going to order by the column that you pass. So let's do last. All right. Order by last. So we got Adams, Franklin, Hancock, Smith. Now I could do this. Let's order by first, and I can then, so Ben, we got 3 Johns. Then I can order by as many columns as I want. So now I got Ben, John, and then I have the Johns in alphabetical order. Now we also have control over ascending and descending, and it defaults to ascending. Now let's go over this way. Descending. There we are. And let's make sure you can see this. Okay, so we got John. Now if I wanted to do last, so this is the way this works. You go column, then ascending, descending, then a comma, then you're next. So it helps if I can type. So there we go. So if I wanted to go ascending first with first names, then I want to go descending with last names, I'd be like that. Or if I wanted, okay, oops, let's bring that back up. Run this again. So this is how you need to think about it. Inside the comma, each column separated by a comma, and then the descending, if you want to in reverse, before the comma. So no tuples, no anything like that. That is a group, and then the next group. And of course, if you just wanted ascending, it defaults to ascending. So there we go. Real quick video today on the order keyword for SQL. So please drop any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.